how to log in to Google Meet. So if you want to log into your Google Meet account, then first let's download the application. To download, you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store. Go for the search bar and you can search for Meet or Google Meet. And here you will have your application, so make sure to install the application. Once you've installed, tap on Open, which is on the right side. And here you can choose an account to log in. So you need to choose a Google account. Once you've choose your account, tap on Continue and tap on Give Access and allow all of that. And that's it. That's how you log into your Google Meet account. And now you can start your Google Meet. So that's it. That's how you log into your Google Meet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.